Bulag boy oh. Boy, bulag. Ayan oh, bulag oh. Bulag. Bulag oh. Winner oh, yung champion oh. Yan ang champion yan, yung blue bar na yan. Dakotin mo na boy. Ayan mga Lodi. Full sibling of the Christchurch Henderson Classic champion ay 700 plus kilometer. Wow, wow, wow. Yan mga Lodi, dito na naman kami oh. Yeah. Dito na naman tayo mga Lodi. Tayo ay kukuha ng champion line. Yeah, I'm coming. Oh my gosh. We are here to get the champion line.
I don't know if they're big enough to take. What do you think?
Yeah. You just put it here. Hindi na boy. Dry na. It's good na. Ayan.
Yeah.
Dry na boy. Oh. Kumakain na yan. Ganda boy. Itim oh.
There you go.
My goodness. Ayan mga Lodi. Full sibling of the Christchurch Henderson Classic champion ay 700 plus kilometer. Wow, wow, wow.
You can have one each. You can
Yeah,
have one.
yeah, yeah,
and
yeah.
You can have one too. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. You want one, boys?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You have one each.
Looks like same hen ay.
Aye, yeah.
Oh, choose ka na bro. Mamaya sige boy.
Oh, put those two in your box.
Wow.
You can have one each.
Thank you very much.
Kakay ka to bro.
Ganda boy. Alam mo na. Ganda. Kaya mga Lodi oh. Yung winner sana yung makukuha sana natin mga Lodi. Sana yung winner. Ayun oh. Winner oh, yung champion oh. Yan ang champion yan, yung blue bar na yan. Dakotin mo na boy. Ito pa yung ano, Henderson Classic na ano, yung ito yung sinasabi ko sa'yo, siguro ito yung kapatid.
Oh.
No, Jason ay, that's the Christchurch one also eh, the black one. No.
I can't remember, bro. When you guys want this one here?
Mm.
Yeah?
Yeah, who's the father of this one?
That comes off the 217 Henderson Classic. That's a half.
Half brother.
Yeah, I think it's a
Yeah.
hen. Yeah.
Oh boy.
Showing good birds.
Oh boy, dami mo naman ano dun boy. Dami mo nang patutukin boy. Ayan, no? Pakaswerte. Pakaswerteng nila lang. Nilimas na ni Unulo pang magagaling. Yung tira-tira na lang sa inyo. Paano mo na yung winner boy? Takbayin mo na boy. Oh, yung blue bar.
Yeah. You guys can spread up. They came from the blue chippy you got. That's the nest mate.
Oh.
That one is?
The nest mate. Comes
Nest
off
mate of the-
white and one off John Stafford.
Mm.
You want to come have a look?
Ang ganda boy, oh. Mili.
Yeah. Oh.
Ah, the parents of that one, the white one.
Yeah.
That's from who? John Stabart.
We bred that one ourselves, the white.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Come through.
Yellow one.
They're the parents. So the ones I gave you, those ones.
Ah.
Yeah. The Neely that I gave comes from the white cock there. He
And
breeds
then-
fucking good birds, man, that bird. Yeah.
That's a white kakay.
Yeah.
Who's the pair of that bird? Ganda mga Lodi. That's a hen.
Yeah, it came from
Oh,
John.
looks like old line, ay.
Yeah.
John Stabart.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, those two. This one here.
So that's the new pairing. Did you raise?
This is
Did
the
you
old
raise?
cock breed. Third Timaroo, fourth Timaroo.
Ah,
These are the oldest one we've got in the cage.
okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So
Wow,
we've,
how old this one?
Still got the old school ring on it.
Wow,
Yeah. 208.
2008. Wow, 16 years. 16 years old. Still breathing, eh?
Yeah. I gave you the white meat.
Yeah,
The one on the right,
yeah.
that's its dead.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, that's its dead. We got this hen here. We paid $100 for this hen.
That's from Alois.
Yeah, we paid $100 for her. Yeah, so if you guys want it, you can have her, but it's $100. That's
Yeah.
what my dad paid for her. She's very good for this too. She was the white one last year.
Mm.
Yeah,
Ganda ng bluebird na.
bred
The
right
python.
there. See that mealy I gave you? The other ones? That's the half sister. The white cock there. The white hen, the mealy looking hen.
Pucha, first time ko makakita ng ganang kulay, oh. Ganang kulay, boy, oh.
Yeah.
Well, how do you call this color?
Right?
How do you call that? Like grizzle, eh? Ganda ng kulay, oh. Pucha. Amazing, grabe, no? Kakaiba kulay nun. But how's the race of the race result of that?
The
It's
white one
good.
there. Last
Yeah.
time we raced, she was fair time.
Hmm.
Yeah. Yeah. That's sister last year. The grizzle looked like his mum.
Mm.
Yeah, we were clocking it all the time. And then we lost it at Christchurch.
Iba yung bluebird na.
Oh. Konsonada mo?
Yeah.
Konsonada mo?
Yourself one.
Na?
You can pick yourself a bird if you want.
Ah, pick up the winner one.
Yeah. But you can leave it. I just gave you
Hmm.
those squeakers.
Yeah,
Yeah?
okay.
I'll give you another bird, eh? You want a bird? I'll pick you one. You want a bird?
Yeah.
Yeah?
What?
You wanna
Maybe this one
off
here.
color? He likes the off color. Yeah. Ah, boy, ganda kulay, oh. Dinakot ka na. Ayan, oh. Whoa! You like that one?
Yeah. You can have here.
Ano?
Okay, that comes off that white one
Oh.
that I just showed you.
It's a
Like we haven't
oh.
raced, yeah, we haven't raced her yet. She was a real late breed. Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm.
You
See?
can have her.
Yun.
Okay.
Yeah?
Oh, nalimas na namin yung magaganda, mga lodi. Nalimas na namin yung magaganda. Yan, patay na naman tayo. Sigurado, dami na namang iiyak na ito, bro. Dami na naman, may iiyak na naman ito. Pag iyak, pikit, sa'yo na lang yung ano, yung mga tiro-tiro, pangit. Lakas mga asirin. Lakas mga asirin, oh. Oh, sa'yo na lang yan, ang pangit, oh. Kinuha ko na yung ano, nakuha namin nakuha natin yung full sibling nung 700 km na winner yun, yung bluebird na yun. Takutin mo nga bro, takutin mo. Takutin mo bro, blue ring yun.
Ha?
Blue ring yun, blue ring. Blue ring yun bro. Dakutin mo. Ayan, dinakot na ni Boss Arnold yung winner.
Hindi, green yung ring eh.
Asan
Ito
yan?
ba?
Putsang galing mo talagang dumakot. Ayan nga boy. Ayan nga yung winner. Ayan o, dinakot niya na yung winner mga lodi. Ayan o. Boy, ayan ang winner boy. Ano palagay mo? Winner yan. Kahit tingnan mo dun sa polytimer, yan yung number 1 sa ano, sa club namin. Pero ewan ko lang pang ilan siya sa federation. Pero sa club namin, siya ang winner. Ayan o, yung kapatid niyan mga lodi, yun yung ibinax ko na dun. Wala na makakahugot dun. O, full sibling.
Pero black chick yun.
Ay, kung di ako nagkakamali, half sibling o full sibling. Mas solid na yun, boy. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-breed, boy. Ang dami. Ang dami na nun. Boy. Yan, no? Napakisig niyan. Sigurado kukuhanin agad ng ingkitero yan. Ay, napanood itong vlog natin. Una na tayo, boy. Pabasbasa na natin kay Jason yan. Don't give it to anyone, Jason. That's a reserve by Unolop. Ayan. Iyak na naman ang mga basher nito. Bulag boy oh. Boy, bulag.
Bulag nga yan.
Ayan oh, bulag oh. Bulag. Bulag oh. Tipoy mga lodi, bulag. Ayan oh, bulag oh. Bulag yung mata mga lodi oh. Pucha.
Siguro nung head na unang binigay niya sa akin.
He was fourth, but it was a third. Don't know where the certificate's gone. It was a third one for him too.
So that one is
Yeah,
Christchurch.
yeah, of the champ. Yeah,
Wow, yeah, that's the Henderson
Yeah,
Classic.
yeah.
Oh, what year is this?
It's another one. That one,
2018.
eh?
2018.
Yeah. Yeah. And 217, we won the Henderson Classic with two birds.
yeah.
Half an hour in front of anybody in Auckland. Two birds that my dad picked, not just the one. He got both the ones that he picked half an hour before anybody in Auckland. All our stuff and all that. Half an hour.
But that's the best one.
They'll
The
say,
books,
"Oh,
this
they'll
book.
say in the club, oh, that's
Fourth,
impossible. It's not impossible.
2010.
Bro, is it? Yeah, so the last Henderson Classic that we had.
But this is the best one. Look,
The rocks were starting off at $5 and $10. Just started straight off at 100.
All right, guys.
that's Australian books.
Yeah.
Later on,
Yeah.
in the garage, my little box I got up top, I'll get my other things later on. I'll show you all those other ones,
Yeah. Yeah.
From the Mount Albert Club,
Yeah.
from with Jason, some there for Jason certificate too, when he was racing. The
Mm-hmm.
Mount Albert Club. Okay, put those all back where you know they are now, son.
Gary Harvey.
And then get the boys organised with their birds.
Oh, it's horrible.
So when you win this one is,
Right?
what race is this? This
What,
one.
what?
What is race that one?
What
When-
race?
Yeah, Christchurch.
Yeah, we'll be here, yeah.
And then you won on our club or federation. That
Federation was.
wow.
That's what the certificate over there, it's the Federation there. Auckland Federation, yeah.
So that's one of your birds is here.
One of those birds,
Yeah.
not
No.
down in the cage now, no.
Oh.
Too old, gone.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a long time ago. mate.
What is name? This guy. That's a South player, right? That guy.
I can't see.
Dito na kami sa bahay ni Boss Arnold. Ayun yung mga nakuha namin, oh. Mga bloodline ng ano, ng champion, oh. Yung mili kaganda, oh. Ayan, oh, may pied pa, oh. Blue bar. Tapos kapatid nung nakuha ko, ito to. Isa lang kinuha ko sa kanya. Ayan, oh. Oh, yun, oh. Solid, oh. Ganda rin, eh, boy. Kakulay ng nanay.
Mas maganda itong
Ito akin, tinan nyo, kulay bronze, mga lodi. Yun, oh. Yun, oh. Mukha lang feral bird, mga lodi. Ang pangit, diba? Pero yung bloodline yan, mga lodi. Salamat sa sa dog cage. Sa bird cage. Lalagyan natin si stubborn dyan mamaya. Alright.